Did you know great white sharks have to keep swimming to survive? Here's why. Unlike most fish, they don't have the ability to pump water over their gills. Instead, they rely on something called ram ventilation. By constantly moving, they force water through their gills, keeping oxygen flowing and their bodies alive. If a great white stops swimming, it can't breathe and will suffocate. This remarkable adaptation impacts every part of their lives: how they hunt, rest, and even sleep. While other sharks, like nurse sharks, can rest on the ocean floor using spiracles to breathe, great whites never stop moving. It's a powerful reminder of how perfectly evolution shapes creatures to thrive in their environments. The ocean's top predator has no room for rest, always in motion, always surviving.